Check it. Following you done or not? How many people completed? Which is you completed? Please check it. First one theory. Second one NCERT problems. Third one NEET previous questions. Or your material also, whatever that is. Okay. NEET which is done material or previous questions. So you can send through chat box how many completed. One you completed, or 1 and 2 completed, or 1, 2, 3 completed. Here almost 58 people is there. Please send everyone through chat box. I need to know your status. Right? Don't expect that one. Just I am telling answer. I will ask you again. You have to send. Huh? Yesterday some people they send me their work. Good, that is be that active mode, but be in act class also. Only 2 people they given reply. What about remaining? You can give numbers 1 and 2 completed, or 1 and 3 completed, or 2 and 3 completed, like that. Everyone name should be there in message. I have to know your status. Or all people given reply. When I am asking you are not given reply means then I need to provide something for you extra work in terms of writing. I think so. My punishment is very simple, sir. You need to write theory 20 times, class notes theory, then you have to send WhatsApp photos. That theory may be 30 to 40 pages. That's I'm going to be ask you 20 times you need to write. So that type of easy punishments you'll get. So send your honesty work, which you can send. Suppose I'm asking you back, which is you can send directly to me, WhatsApp. I don't want just orally completed, sir, these things. So describe properly what you done. Okay, I can read out who are not sent still SMS. Those people you can do theory 30 times, sir. You can write impositioner, that is, then you can send me back. I'm going to read those names who are not sending SMS. Then you can send 20 times, 20 to 30 times theory how to write. That how many pages, that's your notes. Then that's you have to send through WhatsApp. I'm going to reading that one, sir. Who didn't done still now, send that messages. Yes, sir. Harish, did you reply? Did already given? Jay Shudha, Deepa Lakshmi, Soumya. Didn't get from you people reply anything. Annadika, Nagaroshni. You given reply. I think so. I didn't get from you people SMS. I think so. Soumya, I didn't see anywhere. So Balaji, I'm given reply. Okay, fine. If you are giving late reply, I won't consider that one. Then you need to write you people 30 times class notes. That is the imposition this week. I'm going to give that one. What about Samya? I didn't get her name anywhere. She didn't respond anything. So I didn't get any reply from Soumya. ID is there, that is. Monica Sri. Right? TFK ID, sir. TFK something. Mahavishnu. Venkat. Harirohit. Angels Mary. Kirtana Lakshmi. Akilan. Anna DK. These people I didn't get anything, sir. Annapurni something. Srimati. Santya. So these people never respond. Okay. Galaxy M31 also, sir. And I think so. Nachana Sri. Or that one? Anirachana Sri. These people never respond. So, which they note, I read out that one, those names. So, how many times you can write, sir, now? You should be respond very fast now. Why I need to read out that one? Then you are responding. That is not accepted. If I told SMS, you should be give reply very fast. After I'm reading 2 to 3 times, then you are giving reply means I'm begging for you people, sir. I'm begging. Why I need to begging? Just I give punishment. If you want, you can do. Otherwise, you can leave that one. Doesn't matter. They will call you seekers to your parents. Then they will ask you, still now chemistry. Okay. Or if they're calling for you, I'm going to be ask you, class 1, first class 2, still now class homework day wise. I'm going to be ask if they're calling you. Okay. Still date. Okay. Till date, whatever you done, date wise, they are going to be asked if they are calling homework. Clear? So why these things for you? If you want ready to that one, fine, sir. I will give your names, they will call you. I'm going to be ask you again. See these people you have to send. Array which they read out those names. Already recorded. You don't worry that one, sir. They read my name or not. Send your homework, sir. What you done? Class notes, theory, how much you practices. For weekly at least 30 pages rough paper should be completed for weekly. For only this is chemistry. Don't tell all we done, sir. So at least maximum 30 papers you need to complete. How many papers you completed, you have to check and tell that one. I don't want reasons from your side. I don't want single reason. If you are not understanding, let me know that one. Even for you people already have backup videos. Seekers they are providing backup videos. You may can check it, get it back. But don't tell any words, sir. I don't like reasons. Like Galaxy M31. Who is this person? Still he didn't respond that one. KV Krishna. Huh? Who is not? I will see your SMS, sir. If you're not there, then you can write 20 to 30 times class notes, sir. Wait, I'm going to see that one. TFK completed means what you completed? All three completed. So you can censor that images what you done. Array Galaxy something name is there. He didn't respond anything actually still now. That person may be boy or girl, I don't know that one. They didn't respond anything. What about Srinivasa Raghavan? Array who I am reading? Those people. Send theory right 2 times. First, this is the first time, that's why write theory 2 times, sir. Then send imposition. If you are not sending 2 times, that's going to become 20 times. Still, all people they didn't send any SMS. Still, I'm waiting for them. Perhaps I read those people, send their work through WhatsApp. I need to see those people. If you are not doing, I am teaching. There is no use that one, sir. No use of that one. Unless you are not doing. Array Galaxy M31. Who is this person? Still not responding anything. I asked 2 to 3 times. Vishnu, send me Karthik number, Karthik sir number. He's the NEET batch 2 host na right now.
Yes, yes.
Send him his number.
Yes.
So didn't connect through audio means that is, so he's not listening our lesson. Is it correct? Akavya Shri, you sent madam. Anirachana Shri, when I don't think so that one, please. Next to that one, Shweta, maybe she sent. Mohan. Soumya also didn't get, I think so, huh? Soumya. Array, which is you are telling that homework I am going to ask you through WhatsApp. Keep in mind that should be very clear, crystal clear. Which is you sent all the things I am going to note down. I am going to take the screenshots. So what you done homework, name wise we'll call again back. Be honesty. We don't want like these people who are just not doing, then they're telling words. Everything should be honesty. Then at least I can help you. Without doing homework, how we are getting scores, sir? That's the requirement. Annadika, why you done only 10 problems? We are doing last 10 days onwards, last 1 week we are doing in class only too many problems, na? And Shweta, why you done only NCRT field questions? What is the problem? Not understanding? We done 12th chemistry very easy way. That is also per day very small amount to discuss that one. Not yesterday work, total sums I'm asking, total. Other than what you are doing, sir, every day I told you, na, practice theory, first, I think so, this is the daily homework, na? Then this is you are not doing, I think so, huh? I hope which is theory plus, I told you that one, minimum 10 to 15 sums per day. So this thing you are not doing then. That's also I'm asking date wise, na? So you are telling right now 5-10 sums me, this is you are not doing then. This is the first priority work. If you want to utilize that 10-15 sums from which they are sending elementary homework, also you can include here. But this is fixed every day, theory plus 10 to 15 sums. That to date wise we need. Okay, do one thing. I'm reading some people names that you can send by tomorrow. Then remaining people next day. Sunday you can send this work. I need date wise which is you done work. I'm reading, sir. Now those people you can respond. Array, note down your names. I don't want any reasons. This should be a very clear notebook. N Pragadish, please note down your names. You have to send theory plus class note. That date wise every day should be there, 10 to 15 sums. What would I need to see that one? N Pragadish, Anish Karthik, I think so. Galaxy M31. You will get sir call easily. I'm going to ask you that one. Next, Akavyashri. Shweta. ID's names are these are. Next, Anirachana. Still she didn't respond anything. If I didn't get homework from you, then I will talk directly with your father or mother directly. Mohan, note down these people. Harshita, Yuvashri, what is that? Santhya. I think so. Santhya, Raja, Ashok, Annapurani. Karthik, note down some student names, then call them and ask them their homework. This idea I'm telling that people, you can say things are able to see also open participants. Galaxy M31 person, note down that is, I don't know that name, student.
Okay, so I take screenshots today. Call Kritika ma'am for the students, all students.
Yes, yes. And one more person is there. Soumya is there. She also not responding.
Okay.
Wait, she'll come somewhere. Here, Soumya. Okay. PSCN12. She didn't respond anything still now. I hope they are listening or not. We don't know that is first thing. They're in class or just they are joining. They are doing some other work. Then suppose we are asking anything seriously. They are telling one word, sir. Online classes we are not understanding, sir. We want that words. Let them listen first, na?
Okay, sir. Today I take all of students take the screenshots, sir. Today given Kritika ma'am. Today call for all students. I inform
Ask
sir
them
today.
homework what they done. Okay, they will send the date was required. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just look that one look, that is let me know that one who done who not done, that's the one. That's simply.
Mm,
Even I'm
mm,
asking my personally also.
mm, mm.
We'll call
No
them.
problem, sir. Today just for 10:40 class finished. Again I tell Kritika ma'am, sir. No problem, sir.
Please
Today.
follow that one, huh?
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, Karthi. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Or you can ask if you have any doubts, concepts. Which concept? Think so far you completed every concept. You may can ask doubt, otherwise see here. P naught minus P naught equal to I into XB. XB for dilute solutions we wrote. NB by NB nothing but you can write Na. This is nothing but I can write I into WB by MB into WA by MA. This is the one. And second colligative property delta TF equal to TB. TB equal to I into KF into WB by MB into 1000 by WA. And third one delta TF equal to I into, this is KB, huh? KF same WB by MB in 2000 by WA. And fourth one phi equal to I into C nothing but you can write WB by MB into RT by V. Okay. If you see all these colligative properties, please note on that point. This is a colligative property which is rounded. All these are, you may can use different color pens or whatever you have. All these colligative properties are inversely proportional to molecular weight of solute. MB is the solute molecular weight. Inversely proportional to molecular weight of solute. Whenever you are sending homework, send every time message followed by your name and section. That's every time you can send that one. When we are sending to me homework or whatever that is, even you are asking doubts also, try to send every time. Then I can identify easily your name, section, whatever your question followed by that is. So note on that is first, all colligative properties are inversely proportional to molecular weight of solute. Molecular weight of solute. I think yesterday also you noted down I equal to observed colligative property by calculated colligative property. Study noted down. So actually already we done sir this formula very clearly. Delta TF equal to what is the formula sir? I into KF into M. Is it correct? I'm taking one example. So I equal to what you can write? Delta TF by KF into M. Delta TF is the observed colligative property. KF into M is the calculated colligative property. So already we done this formula based questions too many. Which we are using this formula already we done. But definition they given observed colligative property by calculated colligative property. Observed is delta TF. Calculated is KF into M. Any doubts? Remaining doubts you may can ask. This is the remaining concept maybe which I thought for batch one remaining for you people. What's your doubt, sir? You may can express your doubts. Any conceptual doubts? Suppose you don't understand any conceptual doubts, you may can ask. At least I can provide solution where we'll get. If possible, we'll discuss right now only. Otherwise, at least I can give suggestion. You may can get here proper information like that. NCRT, what's the question you have doubt? Open. NCRT open. No? NCRT means whole book is not out. Na? Somewhere particular point, you should be pinpointed. Which point you have doubt or which question you have doubt. You can open the ask that NCRT questions. Or you can ask NCRT need any question. Not only just first priority NCRT book questions only. Okay. Array molar constant if temperature that depends upon only temperature. Note down that point. Kf and Kb. These are depends upon only temperature. Depends only temperature. Temperature. Next one is nature of the solute. Nature of the solvent. If particular solvent they have fixed value, sir. If solvent you are taking water only, then two different temperature T1, T2 means they have two different values. So main thing is nature of solvent as well as temperature. If solvent is same, then two different temperatures, then two different values will get. By changing molality, volume, okay, these are not depends upon. Please note on that point. Any other, please? Exemplar exercise question that is. Nagarjun. 2.21. So I'm reading this is the question. Two elements A and B forms compounds having formula AB, AB2 and AB4 when dissolved in 20 grams. Is it the same question? Fine. Try to solve example 2.21. Open everyone. Try it everyone. If you're not done, look into again back. Even if you're done, try to understand. If you didn't copy from the solution means you can try to understand right now. We'll discuss that question. What's your doubt here? Anyone done this question? 2.21 NCERT book 2.21 question. NCERT book 2.21 exercise questions. Exercise question 2.21. Whatever they given, we know only one formula in that question. Delta TF equal to I into KF into WB by MB into 1000 by WA. So they're asking MB. Calculate here. AB2 is there, AB4 is there. So calculate AB2 alone, MB and AB4 alone separately. So MB equal to I into KF into 1000 by WA by delta TF. Now what's the first case they given, sir? I value anyway. I think they didn't mention I value. So I value they didn't mention means you don't want thing. I value is 1 only, sir. If they mention, then you can consider. Clear? So they didn't mention. We can take as it is I value is 1. KF they given. How much KF they given? 5.1 into 1000 by delta TF. How much, sir? First case they given 2.3 into WA solvent. How much they given? Dissolved in 20 grams of benzene. So by solving, you can get MB value, sir. Whatever solute. Clear? What others you make and solve it? Things were given by solving 10.87. Similarly, second case also, sir. This is AB2. Next AB4 you can try it. MB equal to I into KF into 1000 by delta TF into WA. I value is 1. KF is how much? That is fixed. 5.1 into 1000 by delta TF how much, sir? 1.3 into 20. Calculate the MB here also. 196.15. These are the two. AB2, what is the total mass, sir? AB2 have total mass 110.87. AB2 means mass of A plus 2B value, because 2 times of B is there, equal to 0.87. This is the equation 1. Then equation 2, sir. AB4. What is the AB4, sir? They given. AB4 means how many times of A is there? A is 1 time plus B how many times? 4 times, sir. 4B. What is this value they given? 196.15. Equation 2. You can take 2 minus 1, sir. A will be cancelled. Then we'll get 2B equal to 196.15 minus 110.84. Take equation 2 minus 1. Then what is the value we are getting here? You can calculate 85.28 something. That is 2B equal to. Then B equal to how much? 85.28 by 2. This is nothing but approximately 42.6. This is the B value. Once you are getting B value, you can substitute equation 1. A plus 2B equal to 110.87. A I don't know, but 2 into what is the B value? 42.6 equal to 110.87. Calculate A value, will get sir here answer. A value is approximately 25.5. So A value and B value both are getting answers. So first try to use what you know formula. From that formula calculate data. I think so some other question you told that one. NCERT book 2.15 Vimal Raj. That is exercise question only, na? Exercise question. Is it correct? I'm reading that question is correct or not. You can find out, sir. An aqueous solution of 2% non-volatile solute exerts a pressure of. Is it same correct? Same question? Fine. Or you can ask next time, at least next class onwards. Starting onwards, you can ask doubts. At least 1 or 2 you can discuss in class. May not be hard. Then every day we are discussing 1 or 2 means end of the day you won't get any doubts. But one day means even time is not sufficient. Tomorrow you have exam. An aqueous solution of 2% non-volatile solute exerts a pressure of 1.004 bar at the normal boiling point of the solvent. What is the molar mass of the solute? Okay. 1 bar equal to, should be know that one, sir. Sir, 1 atm equal to 1.013. I think so 2 also is there. 1.013. 3 2 or something value is there. You can find out. This 1 atm. Okay. 1 atm equal to atmospheric pressure. How much, sir? Atmospheric pressure is 1 atm. This is atmospheric pressure. We know only one formula. P naught in terms of pressure, relative lowering of pressure. Only one formula you have, that one. P naught minus PS by P naught equal to. What you can write, sir? NB by NA into I value. They mention non-volatile means I equal to 1. WB means, NB means WB by MB into MA by WA. This is the formula. So P naught is, we know that one, 1.013 minus, what is the P solution they given? 1.004 by 1.013. I value is 1 into, because non-electrolytes already provided, sir, I value. How many grams they dissolve, sir? 2%. Out of 100 grams, 2 grams is dissolving, sir. So 2 by molecular weight, I don't know that one. MB. The MA is 18 grams. Array, I am taking 2%, meaning 2 grams dissolve in 100 grams of solution. Correct? 2 grams dissolve in 100 grams of solution. This is solution, sir. 100 grams of solution. So what is the solute weight? sorry, solvent equal to 100 minus 2, 98 grams, sir. Now substitute here 98, then calculate MB value. That's your answer. Reason you may can take, if they mention bar means bar, if they given atmosphere you can take atmosphere. That's enough. Just follow units. That's enough. Okay. Any other, please? There is some other question they given. What is the question number, sir? 2.19. Now, what's your doubt, sir? Here, a solution containing 30 grams of non-volatile solute, exactly 90 grams of water, has a vapor pressure. They given. Further, 18 grams of is then added to the solution, and the new vapor pressure is this much. Calculate molar mass of the solute. Clear? I read two cases. These are 2.19 NCRT, sir. First case they given 30 grams of non-volatile solute, exactly in 90 grams of water, has vapor pressure 2.8 kilopascal. This is solution, sir. They given vapor pressure of solution, they given 2.8 kilopascal. I think so you may can take Pascal. 1 atm equal to, I think approximately 1.01325 into 10 power 5 Pascal. 1 atm equal to 1.01325 into 10 power 5 Pascal. So assume this is some value, sir. You can substitute, that is formula simply P0 minus PS by P0 equal to I value anyway 1, WB by MB into MA by WA. This is the formula, very simple. They're asking weight of solute. So P0 value, this is the P0 value. Then PS they given in terms of Pascal, you can keep. And you can take P0 is whatever value, doesn't matter, because that's going to be cancelled. Later that's going to be cancelled. Suppose if you want, you can keep 1.01325 into 10 power 5 minus how much kilopascals are they given? First case is 2.8. 2.8 into kilo means 10 power 3. This also Pascal. Okay. By same thing you can write P0 minus PS by, sorry, P0 value how much, sir? One 0.01325 into 10 power 5 equal to WB. How much they are given? 30 grams. By molecular weight I don't know, MB into MA solvent weight how much, sir? 90 grams. Sorry, WA is 90 grams. Here how much? 18. This is equation 1. Then equation 2, again same 1.01325 into 10 power 5 minus how much are they given? 2.9. 2.9 into 10 power 3. I am converting kilo into normal, sir. Then this is also 1.01325 into 10 power 5 equal to how much weight? Same 30 grams. MB I don't know. This is 18 by, but extra how much solvent they added? 18 grams of water is added to the solution. So 18 grams means total weight is how much, sir? 90 plus 18. How much will get? Are 108 na? This is equation 2. Then solve equation 1 and 2. You don't know only MB value, sir. Except MB, everything you know that one. By solving these two equations, you will get your answer. I am giving process only, not answer. Check it. Even wherever they are given question, percentage they mention means out of 100, how much that is? Karunya. Correct, you are correct. Percent means out of 100, how much is there? That's you need to calculate. That's correct only. There is molality term is there, then it should be used like that only. There is no option. Any other, please? You can ask all doubts, NCERT doubts, whatever you have doubts. Not only, you can prefer first priority NCERT doubts. If you have done NCERT book properly, up to advanced level exam you can qualify. Are you getting my point? So every chapter you can follow. First priority theory plus NCERT reading and any problems followed by your NEET questions. This is the pattern you have to do every day. Any other question, please? Any NCERT questions you can ask if you have doubts, doesn't matter. But you people you are doing right now, theory reading means what you can do, sir, within one day then. Then whatever we discussed last week, we can get out of 180, how many marks we are getting, like that we are discussing. So some people they are utilizing, some people are very bad state. When you are sending whatever work through WhatsApp, send your name, section name, your school name also, sir. Then that's better. I can understand these school people they are doing good. These school people are not attempting like that. Also, I can find out. Any other question, please? Darshan Kumar, we are doing everything association, dissociation. You know. Then what is the Vanta factor you understood then? What is I value you understood? What is I meaning? I is for what is the siding I given? Vanta factor for dissociation siding I given. I value, dissociation and association. What is the meaning that one? Discuss that one. That's why if you done more problems, all these doubts can come out. You can clarify. Association, dissociation only alpha value. Sorry, I value. NaCl that won't dissociate into Na plus Cl minus. This is the dissociation meaning. Association means I given acetic acid is the one of the good example I given. NCERT exercise questions is tough questions, fine, can I accept, but if you are understanding and you are doing mains, you can get up to advanced level. That much knowledge you will get. That's the reason, sir. Who prepared properly NCERT book perfectly, all those people they are getting very good ranks in entrance exam. All you are studying is not NCERT actually. Okay, just you people are just passing purpose you are studying. Actually, you are not prepared really anyone NCERT. For you may can get too many success stories, internet also available. Those people they don't have any capability to take means money with respect to money, sir. They don't have money. That's why they are not taking anywhere coaching, sir. No coaching, sir. Okay, but still they are getting very top ranks. How they are getting, sir? Top ranks without teacher. They can read number of times their NCERT book. They are utilizing only NCERT book. They are solving that book, then followed by any availability books in market. But here we have top most teachers. Then you join top institute also. But still we are not able to do anything. Only difference is interest. Who have poor students or something, who are not. Huh? Those can do much more work than they are getting good rank. But we people have everything in our hand. Everything we have in our hand, but we don't like to work. So that's why we are not getting any rank. Commitment important, commitment, not sources. You are spending most of the people, maybe I'm wrong, but most of the people who are not getting means some people they are studying also. I can't say anything wrong. They are spending time mobile games or some other activities we are keeping. No? How we can get this is who are committed poor people something. You can see success stories. They don't have anything, sir. They work only one work to get rank. If they have free time, they are earning money, sir. To surviving purpose, they have to do something work. That's why those people doesn't happen. Even those only going to be invited in future. Good softwares, good devices, and everything. Who are that inviting? Then we are playing just. You can think something positively. Take its challenge and do some work. Already I read some people. Be alert that one. Next time it should not be repeat. Thank you very much. Take break.